Hi, I'm Sharif, and welcome to Ezy Sign-In. I'll be talking about the benefits of using Ezy Sign-In's visitor management solution. In this overview video, we'll be covering visitor management and the importance of tracking visitors in your workplace. Many organizations are now seeking the benefits of tracking visitors and contractors in their workplace. It's important to note that many countries have legislated mandates in making workplaces safer. Using a visitor management system can help you meet your legal obligations and at the same time reduce costs and improve workplace safety. Visitor management is at the core of the Ezy Sign-In solution. We provide safe and seamless ways to greet your guests with both physical kiosks and contactless sign-in options using QR codes. We provide convenient ID badge printing when using front desk kiosks. We also send alerts and notifications to hosts when their visitors arrive. So you can ditch your old paper-based logbooks and upgrade to a digital solution that's easier and more secure. There's so many benefits with Ezy Sign-In's visitor management, so I encourage you to click on our product pages and take deeper dives into what's included in each feature. We're here to meet all your visitor management needs. However, Ezy Sign-In is so much more. Feel free to explore our features, or better still, reach out to us directly via our contacts page or send us an email at admin@ezysignin.com. Thanks for watching.